Have you ever wondered how some TikTok sellers always seem to find winning products before everyone else? Like, how are they spotting trends so early while others are still guessing? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can find trending products on TikTok Shop using one of the most powerful tools out there right now, Kalodata. If you've been trying to figure out what's selling, what's going viral, and what products are actually making money on TikTok Shop, this video is for you. Because, let's be honest, guessing trends isn't a business strategy. You need data, you need insights, you need Kalodata. So here's the deal. Kalodata basically pulls back the curtain on TikTok Shop. You can see the top performing products, track sales performance, discover new niches, and even see what creators are promoting all in one place. Now, before I dive into how it works, quick heads up, I've got a special link in the description where you can grab Kalodata for 10% off. If you're serious about product research, don't miss that. Alright, let's jump in. When you first open Kalodata, you'll see a clean dashboard showing real-time TikTok Shop data, trending products, top sellers, and fast-rising items. The best part? You can sort by region, category, and sales velocity, meaning you instantly know what's blowing up right now and where. Let's say you're in the beauty niche. Just filter for that, and boom, you'll see which skincare, makeup, or hair products are trending this week. Want to go deeper? Click any product, and Kalodata shows you sales graphs, shop performance, and even which influencers are driving those sales. And here's where it gets really powerful, the creator insights. You can see which creators are pushing these products, their engagement rates, and how much traffic they're actually driving. That means you can spot winning collaborations or even find influencers to work with directly. Combine that with Kalodata's product analytics, and you're not just finding trends, you're understanding why those products are trending. So instead of scrolling TikTok for hours, hoping to stumble across the next viral product, you can use Kalodata to predict what's about to go viral. If you've been thinking about starting or scaling your TikTok shop, trust me, this is the kind of edge that separates successful sellers from everyone else. Don't forget, click the link in the description to get 10% off Kalodata and start finding trending products the smart way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.